Recalibration of the tire pressure on your 2023 or 2024 CRV varies depending on your vehicle configuration. For LX, EX, or Sport models, start your car and navigate to the vehicle menu on the left side of your instrument panel, using the Home button on the left side of your steering wheel. Utilize the scroll button to access the vehicle settings page. Scroll down and select TPMS calibration, skip the cancel option and then scroll down again to locate the calibrate command. Confirm your selection by pressing the scroll button. For EXL, Sport L, and Sport Touring models with larger dashboard displays, the procedure is simpler. With your vehicle running or in accessory mode, access the vehicle settings typically located on the second page of the menu. TPMS calibration will be readily available in the upper left corner. Select Calibrate, and you're all set. The car tire pressure tends to drop during cold days because of the fundamental principles of gas laws. In just a few words, when the temperature decreases, the air inside the tires contracts, causing a decrease in pressure. This occurs because the air molecules lose kinetic energy in the cold, leading them to move slower and occupy a smaller volume. In addition to temperature fluctuations, your TPMS light may be triggered by issues like nails puncturing the tires. If the light reappears shortly after a reset, it's highly advisable to have your tires professionally inspected for any potential problems. Finally, it's essential to monitor and adjust tire pressure, as underinflated and especially punctured tires affect handling, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. If you're enjoying our content and looking for more helpful tips for your Honda, please support us by hitting subscribe and like buttons below.